A local grocery store charges for oranges based on weight as shown in the graph below. Find the price, dollars per kilogram of oranges at a grocery store. Okay, so let's copy this graph to the board. Let's see what the price is per kilogram. Okay, so we see that when here with 1 kilogram, the price is on the y-axis, each hash mark represents 1. So this is $3. So when you get 2 kilograms, you pay $6. You get 3 kilograms, you pay 9. So the price per kilogram is y divided by x, which is 3. Okay. For example, here 3 divided by 1 is 3, and for this point 6 divided by 3 by 2 is 3, and for this point 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the price per kilogram is 3 per kilogram of $3. $3 per kilogram. Okay. Larry feels he is best up. Larry fills his bathtub at a constant rate. The amount of water in his tub is proportional to the amount of time he spends filling it. The relationship is described in the following graph. Okay. So we see that here each hash mark represents 5. This is 5, so this is 35. And here, time in minutes. Okay, so 35 divided by 5 is 7. So 1. So this point here is 7. So 10 should be 70. Yeah. So 10 minutes, 70 liters of water. Okay. Okay. So point A. Okay. Which statements are about the graph are true? Choose all answers that apply. The y-coordinate of point A represents the amount of water in the bathtub after filling it for 5 minutes. That is correct. Okay, because we see here that the x is 5 minutes and the y is the number of liters, amount of water in the bathtub after filling for 5 minutes. Okay. There are 7 liters of water in the bathtub after filling it for 1 minute. Yeah. Because if we know that this is the K, it means that for each minute we fill the tub with 7 liters. So there are 7 liters of water in the after that. Yeah. So B is also correct. Okay. the relationship between the amount of tomato sauce and tomato paste needed for a pasta sauce recipe is shown in the following graph. Okay, so we see here on the y-axis we have cups of tomato paste, and on the x-axis cups of tomato sauce. And this point here shows that we need 4 cups of tomato paste for every 8 cups of tomato sauce. So the relationship is 4 divided by 8, which is 1/2. So for every cup of tomato paste we need, so if we are so this point here, so we need 1/2 of paste for every 1 cup of tomato sauce. Okay. Y equals K times X. Okay, so here when Y is 4 and X is 8, what is K? So we divide both sides of the equation by 8 to isolate the K. So we have 4 divided by 8 equals K, which is 1/2. So it means that we need to multiply 8 times 1/2 to get to 4. Okay. The point 84 shows that 8 cups of tomato sauce are needed to serve 4 people. No. 8 cups of tomato sauce means that we need 4 cups of tomato paste to make the recipe. Okay, so A is not correct. The recipe always requires the same amount of tomato paste as tomato sauce. This is not correct, because we saw that for each cup of tomato sauce we need only 1/2 cup of tomato paste. So it's not the same amount. So none of the above. Good. A car travels down a highway at a constant speed shown in the graph below. Find the speed of the car. Okay, so we see here that it goes 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, because here the point is 80 kilometers. Here it's 1 hour. So the y is 80 and the x is 1. So y equals k times x. To know what k is, the constant of proportionality, we divide y by x. So 80 divided by 1 is 80. So 80 kilometers per hour. And here we see that when it travels 2 hours, it covers 160 kilometers. 160 divided by 2 is 80. And here 3 is 240. 240 divided by 3 is 80. So the speed of the car is 80 kilometers per hour. Thank you for watching. And in the next video, I'm going to take quiz 2. Quiz 2 is about graphs of proportional relationships and identifying proportional relationships. So I will see you in the next video.